Friday technical issues with the first live we just started. Now we are back connecting the entries and exits show so you can learn what the best entry, your buy signal, the best exit, your sell signal is on a stock or a crypto coin. I hope you guys were trading the market today, shorting the market mainly because whenever something rallies, mainly the SPY rallies so aggressively, you should expect a pullback. For me, I didn't trade for a few days because I waited for the short. This opportunity I knew was coming. So I waited patiently like a spider for it, and praise God, it paid. It paid. All right, we are live. Let's go. Welcome back. We are back. We're back. We're back. What's up, everybody? Let's rock and roll. So entries and exit show, we are making it happen. Let's go. We are making it happen. There we go. Again, technical glitches because I have to stream through multiple platforms to be able to come to you right now. Today is one of the main reasons I hate YouTube, but it is what it is because I literally am going through 3 softwares to come to you. But it is what it is. So again, entries and exit show. If you haven't watched it before, it's actually one of my most requested. It's the one that gets the most views. It's the most saved. It's the most shared because I have the analytics that shows me when I do it on IG. So boom, here it is. So I'm going to have 2 players come on. And basically, as you can see behind me, this web or whatever the hell the conspiracy theorists call it, there's a name for this thing. Web connecting everything that you need to know how to find an entry and exit. This is just something that I had from a couple of years ago that I found in my folder, and I just pulled it up for fun. But we're gonna start the show off. Let me see if all is well, and let me check the YouTube comments. YouTube comments is good. I see everyone. I see everyone. Everyone's good to go. Okay, cool. So before we start, just a few little things to highlight on. The ticker will not be told. If you haven't seen the show before, I don't tell you the ticker until the end. You guys will give me the tickers later. Also, mentorship students, later tonight, once this ends, let's do like a private live, all of us, just to recap what happened today with the market. And let me prepare you for Tuesday and talk about something else too. I could talk freely, I don't care. The secret indicator thing that I talked about, the mentorship program. I want to talk about that a little bit more because if you were using it, you would have known that the pullback was expected. You would have known the pullbacks. We're going to talk about that and prepare for Tuesday trading. I'm just going to just do a recap of how to do it. Boom. So that's later tonight, mentorship students. I got you. I haven't been on IG. I miss close friends. I miss privately posting my plays and stuff. So I feel like I want to do this because I feel like that part of me is lacking, even though I'm enjoying not being on IG. So boom. Sophie, I'll send the Zoom link later. I'll send it later. Not right now. I'll send it later. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. All right, let's go. Boys, turn on your cameras. Come on, let's welcome the boys on the show. We got Victor and we got Ronnie right now. His what is it called? His Zoom is RNS 122. Welcome, boys.
Thank you.
So everyone knows Victor. Victor has already been on the show on IG. He's a mentorship student, recently graduated from the mentorship. Just tell them where you're from, Victor. Maybe they haven't seen you, but you were on my last live that I did on IG. Your name is Victor. Where are you coming in from? How'd you find me? Just a quick synopsis.
Okay, my name is Victor Gonzalez. I'm living currently in Houston, Texas. Recently graduated from the seminar from day trade professor and learning every day, man. Learning every day.
I love it. What was the number one thing you got out of it, Victor?
Patience.
Ooh, being the spider.
Yeah. I still got to work on it, but I'm learning.
Of course, you just graduated like 2 weeks ago. Of course, you got more to learn. Are you coming to the live trading 5 days in New York?
I want to be there, but I just moved. I bought a car, so I'm, playing with a couple of things, but I really want to be there, right?
It's okay. No, the reason why I say that is, here's the thing, Victor, and everybody watching. Here's the thing. When you go to the gym, you need a what to really get you in shape? A trainer, right? Now, I am your trainer. I am your mentor. Yeah. But you need me next to you.
Exactly.
If you really want this, you need me there for a week as it's happening. Get you ready pre-market, get you ready in the heat of it, and then after debrief. I think 5 days of that will really accelerate your learning. That's why I also gave you guys, 80-90% off. I didn't even open it to the regular population.
Which will be amazing, having you side by side of me and training. That'll be amazing.
Yeah, and that's why it came the idea of doing it that way, because I'm like, when I used to have a trainer years ago, and I'm like, yo, when he was there, he pushed me. He was on top of me. He's like, no, 2 more. But I'm like, you said 15 reps. He's like, 2 more. I saw you weren't struggling. I'm like, that's true. All right, 2 more. You see what I'm saying?
Everybody needs that type of motivation. Yeah.
Everyone needs that. Everyone needs that. So I appreciate you, Victor. Hopefully you come. All right, Ronnie, welcome. So Ronnie's first time. Ronnie, I've never seen Ronnie before. Ronnie says he just joined on the YouTube. Ronnie, well, where are you coming in from? Your name is Ronnie, and how'd you find me?
I'm coming from San Antonio, Texas, and I found you on YouTube one day. I mean, I've been searching, and so I started following you, and I really enjoyed it. So I said I'm gonna try to jump on here live one time. So I'm glad to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Ronnie, for hopping on. So wait, what did you search up on YouTube to find me?
Well, I've been doing this for about a year and a half now, and so I just been looking over, different people on YouTube, and I saw a professor, and I was like, let me check this out. So I did, and I've been watching your videos. Last night, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm laying watching videos. So
Let me ask you a
I
question.
really
What got you? What was it about my content that you're watching me at 3 in the morning? What am I doing that's getting your attention, Ronnie?
just explaining everything is really, just you make it real easy is what it is. You make it easy, and I like that. And I know you were saying to other people, well, see if you like, if you like my training, or not. And so I just found myself that I really like your style and everything.
Thank you.
So I just, been doing it. I was watching when the young lady was doing the options.
Pav.
Yes, I was watching that, and I really enjoyed it. And so I said, well, this is who I want to stick with. So that's just the way it is.
I love it. Yeah, it's funny you said that, because when people DM me and they're like, I want you to be my mentor, I said, okay, go watch my free course, go through the videos, go read my book. And at the end, when it all makes sense and you feel everything out of your mouth that you just said, if that's how you feel, then become a mentorship student and let's take you to a whole nother level. That's what I always say.
I sent you an email already about trying to purchase the book. I just did it about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, okay. I'm about to say, I didn't get no email. Okay.
I just did it about 10 minutes ago, and I really wanted to get the book, and I wanted to, follow the steps that to become, for you to be mentored, for myself to be mentored.
I got you, Ronnie. You know what I'm going to do for you? The 5th edition book is not even out.
Yes,
but
sir.
if you stay with me the whole time and I see how good you are, and I'll give you the link. I don't release, they have it. Victor has it. My mentorship students all have the 5th edition. That's been out for them.
Yes.
If you're good, and I told people, if you're not a mentorship student, you're not getting that till December. I'm going to release it publicly, but you're coming on and I appreciate you. Let's see how you do, and I'll give you it because I appreciate that. Only you. You can DM me on the side or email me, and I'll send you the 5th edition link. Only you.
All right. Will do, sir.
Boom. All right, so let's get it started. Do you know, Ronnie, what this is? The entry to the exit show? Do you know what this is?
No, I don't. I know.
How long you started
YouTube.
following me? How week, 2 weeks? How long has it been?
About 2 weeks.
Okay, so yeah, you're new. All right, perfect. All right, so let me explain it for those that might not know. You see this complicated chart behind me, but it's not that complicated. I'll simplify it right here. So this is the entries and exit show. On this show, what we do is, let's write it down. The entries, let's make this bigger, too big. The entry and exit show. On this show, what we're going to do is trade one ticker, long or short, as the candles are moving. That's it. That's all we're doing. We will be trading the market. There's a way to do something called the replay button, Ronnie, where I will replay and go back in time to a random date, a random time, random ticker, and you two will decide your entry and exit, and you will go against each other.
Okay.
That's it?
Understand.
All right. So let's make it happen. So let's see. Basically, I'll even simplify it. We're going to pretend it's 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time. The market opens in 30 minutes. What prep work we have to do before we jump in?
Support and resistance.
Support, yeah.
Yep. So let's go. Let me just check the comments on YouTube so I can make sure they're good over there. And then let's start the fun. Okay, let's see. Okay, you guys I can see all of you there. Let's just go over the comments. We're back. Best show Friday night. Thank you so much. Gerard, thank you for that. Awesome. Smash the like button. Okay, let me just drop this on. Let me drop this on Twitter, and then let's rock and roll with the show. Let's see. Give me. Oh, guys, talk to each other while I do this. Have a conversation. Wait, and also everyone in the comments, give me all your tickers. Flood them. Stocks or crypto and your tickers. Flood the comments. You two get to know each other.
All right. Hey, Ronnie, you gotta read that book, man. You're gonna understand way better a lot of things. It's pretty simple.
I can imagine because, like I said, I've been doing this for about a year and a half, and I've been doing it really blindly. So I saw the book and I'm like, wow, it would be very good to have, you know, and as I said, just to continue the journey.
No, once you see the way he does the trading, you're gonna be shocked. It's so simple. It's there in the charts. You just gotta practice.
Right. I mean, I've been doing, like I said, I've been doing it on my own for the longest. And this week I did pretty good. You know, I was like, okay. But I still need to learn the technical aspects, you know, especially support and resistance. I mean, I look at all the candles and I'm like, okay, where do I, you know, mark everything? And it's kind of just, how do you say, I just, you know, do it just from my experience. That's all.
Yeah, eventually you will get better.
First of all, thank you, Victor, for the kind words. I appreciate you. That's number one. Number two, Ronnie, you have no mentor, you have nobody. You just do it on your own?
I had no one. Yeah, I've been doing it on my own.
Why have you been doing it on your own though? Why?
Well, I'll just put it this way. I'm a retired nurse, and my son and I picked it up during, you know, the pandemic, and he and I have been doing it, and I just decided that I wanted to continue. You know, I have a goal that I'm trying to reach, and I just continue to do it. And like I said, I've been following you. I just have a hard time, you know, with the support and resistance, you know, drawing the line. So I just look at the chart. I was following, like I said, your videos and everything, doing MACD, RSI, everything. I understand, you know, most of it, but it's just, I think I need coaching. That's it.
So let me ask you a question. When are you, after you're done reading the book, when are you coming to New York to my event? You coming to November? What are you doing?
November? That's a little, that's quick. But I would like to do it. I mean, honestly, because I don't have anything holding me back. I put it like that.
Oh, so then listen, let's see what we're gonna do for you. Because what do you think, Victor? Tell him, what do you think? I don't need to sell anything. You tell him, what do you think he should get? What he would get if he came? Like, what would he really get out of it? Go ahead.
Hey, Ronnie, you gotta go. Don't think about it. It will change your life.
Oh, I can imagine. Yeah, I mean, I really want to. I don't have, like I said, I don't have anything holding me back. You know, I would definitely enjoy it. I mean, like I said, I've been watching the videos and everything, and I saw just some of the videos where he had different people. You know, I know he says he has a class like 20 people or whatever right there.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, that would be neat, you know, because I really think it's something, you know, that I can benefit from.
The best thing of the seminar, you have full attention from him.
Exactly. Yeah. That's great. Yeah.
Boom. All right, boys. So let's do it, guys. Let me see your tickers. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Okay. So I see, you know what? Victor, you pick 3. Forget that. Why am I picking? Pick 3.
Me. All right. Let's do MU.
Okay. No, let's pick one that you won't even know.
Oh,
pick from the YouTube chat. Pick from the YouTube chat.
Oh.
You too, Ronnie. Pick from the YouTube
chat. Okay, somebody put here Tesla. TSLA.
Okay, Tesla, done. Next.
XOM.
XOM. Next.
Let's see, one more. BTU.
BTU.
What is that? BTU.
Energy. That's one of
Okay.
Tracy's favorites. One of my students, Tracy's. All right, Ronnie, you pick 3, baby boy. Pick 3 from the chat. Any 3 you want.
From the chat, I don't. I mean, I think of some O.
Oh, okay. What is O? What is that?
Isn't that real? Bless you.
Realty. Okay, real estate. All right, 2 more. Go ahead, Ronnie. Give me 2 more, baby boy.
Trying to think real quick. Let's see which ones did I do. Oh, TQQ. Q.
No, let's not do that.
No.
I know it. I want to play 2. I know that ticker.
You know that? Okay.
Yeah, I want to pick something that I don't know.
Ooh. Let's see.
Well, no worries then. Victor, help him out. Pick 2 more from the chat. No worries.
2 more.
Any 2 more.
What about Apple? Too much?
We could do Apple, sure. APPL.
There's one here says D, just a D.
B? Okay, I'll put that in. What the hell is that? Let's see what
I
that is.
don't know.
What
B.
about? Okay.
B, Barnes Group. What's that? Barnes
No,
Group?
no, B, D, sorry, D.
D, okay. D. What is that? Dominion Energy. Oh, more energy? Okay, cool.
More energy.
Energy is the play right now. All right, I got 6. All right, guys. I'm gonna black out the screen. You know, I don't have to black out the screen. I could just move the camera up. I'll be back. You guys have a conversation. Let me get the charts ready to go. I'll be back.
All right.
Ronnie, where you say you're living?
Oh, I'm in San Antonio.
Oh, okay, cool. So we're almost neighbors then. I live in Houston.
Right. I heard you say Houston, yeah.
Okay. I got family that lives in New Braunfels, closer to
Oh,
you.
New Braunfels, well, yeah, it's right down the road.
That's nice. All right.
Actually, I'm from Illinois originally.
Oh,
But,
okay.
I was in the military and my son grew up here in San Antonio. So I moved here back in 2017.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I haven't been here that long.
My uncle is
24.
already retired from the army over there living in New Braunfels. They used to live in San Antonio.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Kind of like it here.
Oh, yeah, pretty.
I have
Way better than Houston. I like San Antonio way better than Houston.
Oh yeah, I have a
Yeah.
niece there in Houston. She's the doctor, OBGYN.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
she's right there in Houston. Haven't been there yet. She just moved there maybe 6 months ago. So I'm
Okay.
maybe going to see her sometime.
All right. That's good. So you're ready to do trading?
Yeah, but like I said, I've been doing it on my own for, I've been doing options for a while.
Okay.
Oh God.
I know. I knew he was gonna say that because, like I said, I was watching the video where the young lady was on, and I mean, it's not really difficult, but as I said, I think if I knew a lot about support and resistance and everything like that,
Which is the most important thing of all this, the levels.
I know. And I mean, like I said, I've been watching, and it's like going from, what do you say, like 1 hour chart, drawing the support and resistance line, then, coming down from there. It's like, really? All that's a lot of candles, it's like, I mean, I know where the highs and lows are and everything, but it's like, wow, I really want to get the technical aspect of it.
Okay. Yeah, we'll make a difference. How many companies are you trading on? Tickers?
Actually, about 5,
5? Oh, wow. Try to stick to 1, 2, 3. That's it.
That's what I understand. I mean, like I said, I've been, listening and everything like that. Like I know his favorite, he used to, I guess, was MRO, MRO.
MRO,
Not
PLTR.
anymore. It used to be, Ronnie.
It used to be.
It used to be when it was $7. I used to trade it actively all the way up to when it was in the highs. I got out of it. Once a stock goes back into the high points, I'm out. So you're new to me, so I'll tell you, my strategy is very simple. And it's always been like this since the beginning. I trade a stock that has been decimated across the board. It is at levels where it's probably an IPO or even far below IPO levels. I am talking about levels far below 52-week lows. And that's it. And then I ride it right back up. That's it. Not complicated. Literally, people get shocked when I'm like, that's all I do. Like I don't, for example, did I trade PLTR the past few days? Hell no. Ask me why.
Why is that?
It was rallied too much out of my areas I wasn't comfortable with. I am not giving, I used to be scared of Fridays. Ronnie, in the original days, people knew me as Professor doesn't trade on Fridays. Oh, because I always lost on Fridays. Just prior to me shorting. When I started shorting, today was glorious. I was waiting for this pullback for the longest. I'm like, come on. Here's the thing. What job on earth you click 2 buttons from the comfort of wherever you are and money? No such thing, by the way. So for me, if I had a few good weeks, few good days, I'm not ruining it because it just rallied. Everything just rallied so much. I'm like, nah. The SPY moved too fast, too early. That tells me I'm waiting this out. I'm going to wait for the pullback. When I get confirmation, I'm a short.
No, see, that's my problem. I don't know. That is the biggest problem I have. I don't even know how to short.
Baby boy, Victor, you want to take a bet? He's going to be a mentorship student? You want to take a bet?
He will. He will.
I can literally hear he's saying things that I taught all of you.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Ronnie,
yes,
I got you.
Okay. I mean,
all right.
That's why I'm here.
I know. All right, boys. So, guys, we're going to start the show. Let's make it happen. I wish I could shut the comments off. Guys, do me a favor. Try to chill with the comments till the end. I want the focus on the screen only. All right, boys. So the ticker I'm hiding. Hopefully the sticker holds on. I am not telling anyone what the ticker is until the end of the show. Please do remind me at the end, people, to let you know what the ticker is. So I have gone back a few days on this ticker. This ticker is right here. Here we go. So now this is what I want. Either Ronnie or Victor. We'll let Ronnie go first because he's new, and then Victor. We can do that because Ronnie's new. So let me see what Ronnie knows because I know what Victor knows. I don't know what Ronnie knows. So Ronnie, it's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. What day? I don't know. The day is irrelevant.
Okay. All right.
You need to tell me how. I want to know what is the mindset, what is the pre-market analysis you are doing to get ready for your trading day. But before you tell me whatever you're going to tell me, what do you trade with so I can have that ready to go? RSI, MACD, the EMAs, VWAP. What do you want? Like, what do you do?
I do EMAs.
Which ones, Ronnie?
RSI, 9, 14, and 200.
Okay, with me, we're going to get rid of the 9 and 14. We're sticking to the 200, okay?
Okay. The VWAP.
Okay, done. So RSI. Okay, wait, let me write this down. So you want, we're going to use the 200 EMA. You want RSI. You want VWAP. What else?
Volume, of course.
Oh, yeah, well, that's obvious. Yeah, that's obvious. You don't have to tell me that. I got you.
MACD.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Victor, what would you want for today?
What do you mean? What I want? What I need help?
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want to use for today? So I know what you want.
Well, I know the process,
No, I know you. I know you know, but the people watching don't know. I know you, but they don't know you. So you gotta tell me.
Well, I mean, I like to practice on the same stuff, to be better. So support and resistance.
Okay, done. That's it.
And talk a little bit about the 200 EMA and the VWAP.
Done. All right, let's make it happen. So that's what you boys want. So let me just get it ready. All right, so we got 200 VWAP done. And okay, I'll turn on the EMA later. All right, cool. All right, boys, let's start. Ronnie, you first. It's 9:05 a.m. Eastern Standard. Market opens at 25 minutes. Tell me what you want. What do we do first? I don't know. Tell me what you do. Just so you know, I know you never saw the show, so let me just say one more thing and then I'll let you talk. I am going to guide you. I am the host of the show. You are the contestants. I'm not gonna correct you unless you're wrong. Okay? Go, Ronnie. What are you gonna do first? Tell me.
what I try to do is look at the pre-market, if it's, how do you say? Yeah, the pre-market, I look at that.
What time frame?
Ooh, that,
Oh, that's a problem right there, Ronnie.
yeah,
You can't even. Oh, see, this is why. This is one of the reasons I made this show a religiously happening show every other week. I love what he just did. Victor, did you notice why I like what he just did?
Because you don't know.
He doesn't even know. He wants to look at prima. This is what genius mindset of the behind the scenes of a trader. I love this, Ronnie. You want to look at pre-market, but you don't even know what time frame to look at.
right, yeah. I'll be
Okay.
serious. I don't know exactly what time.
No, I
I
know.
just
And
look at
that's
it, yeah.
and what crazy is you're trading with real money. You want to make even more. You got to know these things. So it's crazy that you didn't know that.
Mhm.
Okay. So Victor, help him out. So we can look at pre-market. I don't do that yet. I'll make my levels first and all that, but we can look at what he wants. What levels would you look at in pre-market? Where would you look at? What time frame, Victor?
Monthly.
Monthly? No, not support resistance, Ryan. Victor. Pre-market.
Free market. I always stick to the 15 and 5 minutes.
15. That's it. So Ronnie, are you writing this down?
Yes, well, you
Because
know,
I'm probably going to delete this live. I'm probably going to delete this
Okay.
because I want people to come and show up to these things, not record it and watch it later. So I'm probably going to do maybe, I don't know. All right. So very good, Victor. You got it. 15-minute time frame. And here you go. Here is your data for this morning. This is your, let me write it. This is your after hours. This is your pre-market. There you go, Ronnie.
I see, okay,
We had a massive devastation this stock in after hours.
right.
It fell even more and then balanced out and went a little bit up. That's what we got so far.
Okay.
What else what are you doing next? And then I'll let Victor go. I'll let you have 2 rounds and then Victor have 2 rounds. What do you want to do next?
Well, I usually just, well, I mean, this is something that I look, I mean, I just wait until the bell opens and maybe like 15 minutes. Then
And
I
just-
just watch.
And then you just take a trade?
No.
Oh my God. I
No,
was about to say,
Paul.
what the hell is going on in the trading
No,
community?
I mean, I just look at it, you know, and I just wait, like, I look at the 5-minute chart, and then I look at 3 minutes.
And what are you looking for?
I'm looking, well, I just wait until all the, how do you say, I look at all the noise, I call it noise, when it usually goes up real high and then comes back down. And I wait for it to even out right there. And then I just look maybe at the 5-minute. And like I said, the 3-minute, I'm kind of nervous, but the 3-minute.
Don't be nervous, baby boy. It's okay. Just me, you, and Victor. Forget everyone else. You know what? If it makes you feel better, I'll delete this so nobody sees it afterwards. If it makes you feel better.
I'm fine with it. I'm fine with
Okay.
it. But I just wait until like I said, I look at the 5-minute and then I look at the 3-minute. And then sometimes I even look at the 1 minute and 30 seconds and just watch where the candles are going up.
And Ronnie,
30
that's how you
seconds.
take your and that's how you take your trades?
Well, I mean, sometimes, yeah, I just look.
All right. Okay. No, for me, I'm like, oh my God, I need some massive pre-planning, Ronnie, for me.
Well,
I need
that's what I know. But see, like I said, my thing is I don't know. I know about support and resistance, and I just look at patterns, really. I just look like maybe the day before and everything like that. I look at where, you know, everything is, you know, it's fallen, or if there's a, how do you say, if there's a incline or a decline. I look at that. Then, as I say, I just make sure that I'm not falling into any traps. That's all. I mean,
All right.
I'm a more, I guess, visual person.
okay.
And I mean, that's how I've been doing it. And like I said, this past week, I did pretty good. I mean, even I'm working with a small amount, but that's how I do it.
No, I got you. I got a lot to teach. I'm glad you showed up, Ronnie. God, man, I don't know if you're a God-fearing person, but I think God sent you to the right place. We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna make this happen.
I'd like for it to happen.
100%.
I know. I can see in your face, boy, he needs work, and I do. I mean, I really do.
And that's the first step to getting help, is knowing that you need help.
Right.
That's the first step. You acknowledged it already, Professor.
Right.
I do need help, and
Yeah,
I hear it. And your gut, and that's why I'm here. Like you said, that's why I'm here, because you acknowledge. You know how many traders, Victor? You know this. How many traders say, "I don't need help"? YouTube, Twitter, Instagram.
Oh, no.
They say they don't think they need it. That's enough, and they're dead wrong. That's where they're dead wrong.
Oh yeah. Oh, I know that for a fact. I mean, I've watched, like I said, Professor, and I'll just put it out there that, I mean, I've looked at other people, and all these people who they want, oh, give me $7,000 and I can teach you all this and everything like that. And like I said, I watched you and I listened to you and I listened to your comments and everything. And, you're here to help us. And like you said, one day I was listening to you when you made some trades, like, this is the money, $100,000. I'm like, wow. And he's here to help us. I'm like, man, this is the guy I want on my side. I'm, really, that's the way I looked at it.
Ronnie, I have a sample copy of the 5th edition right now with me.
Yes,
and
sir.
I'll send you the link later. So you know what? I like you. I'm going to send you the link.
Okay.
You're going to like the quizzes. Victor,
Okay.
tell them about the quizzes, baby boy.
They're pretty helpful, man. They're pretty helpful.
Okay.
So Ronnie, if in the 4th edition, it would be, let me find, here we go. You would learn, watch the video, read the chart, and then take a quiz. I have quizzes after every major chapter, and then you can take notes. This is just a sample copy of the 5th edition book.
Okay.
So boom, I got you on this end. Just send me a DM on Twitter or email me. My Instagram is down right now. I took it down myself, but that's a different story.
I will email you.
Let's get back to the show. Victor, what do you want to do? It's 9:10 a.m. Eastern Standard. What are you doing, baby boy?
After checking the pre-market, then I'll go to higher time frame to start drawing the lines, support and resistance.
All right, let's do it. So,
but first, I gotta tell you that at least Ronnie is doing something that I wish I should do all the time, like wait after the market open is fast.
So Ronnie, one thing Victor has a big problem with is taking. Listen, I don't even do this. He takes 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard trades. If I'm going to take one, it'll be 9:33 Eastern Standard.
Okay.
I'm working on it, Professor.
No, I know. And remember, during the seminar, we live traded. We waited for the pull. Listen, you saw me live trade. No hocus pocus while the market was open. We didn't catch the morning rally, but what did we catch after? That made it all back.
Yep.
What did we catch, Victor?
The downtrend. The rejection,
the pullback, and then we got in and we rode it all the way back up. That's where you make yourself say, it's okay if I miss the morning one. I'll wait for the pullback, see if it holds and ride it back up. That's even safer.
Actually, today I didn't want to even trade, but when I saw like a little setup, I just got in. 15
long
minutes,
or short?
I was out. Long.
And it was good?
Yeah, 3 candles, 15 minutes out.
Praise God. I love it.
I checked on the 5 minutes. So
wow.
Praise God. No, I love it. Today was very nice for the short.
It was one of the best. After the seminar, it was one of my best trades. It was 40-something%.
Wait, 40%. Praise God. Wait, what was it exactly? Like, give me, what was it that you learned from me that helped you execute that? Tell me that.
Looking for the setup, I guess. Yeah, it's patience. You gotta keep looking. Yeah, exactly. You gotta wait for the setup. Yeah.
You said it. That is one of the main things. You became
the keyword. Yeah.
Yeah. That's what you have to be. Because if you were trading for the past 4 days, well, the SPY has been rocket shipping. You're like, yes, long calls. No.
But it won't be always
like that. The SPY has to
that.
breathe. The SPY has to come back. You cannot have an infinite amount of green candles. You can't be just call all day. I didn't even touch it. I'm like, okay, wait for the comeback. Okay, damn, no comeback today. All right, it's okay. Wait for the come. Damn, no comeback today. Okay. Oh, I got it. Right on. I got it. Okay, I had to wait. And I made
patience.
and I made what I needed to make. I'm like, cool. It was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. All right, Victor. So tell me what you want me to do. So by the way, this is the entire trend of this stock. I am on the daily time frame. Let me expand for you, Victor. I'm on regular candles because you know I can't use Hike and Ashi on the replay function, just so you know. So
Okay.
tell me what you want me to do. You want me to zoom out more, zoom in more? Tell me what you want, Victor.
Zoom out more. Oh, we're gonna stay the daily.
Whatever you want, baby boy.
I want to go to the monthly time frame.
Wait, but you saw this already though.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay. What's okay? Monthly. Here you go. This looks a lot like the SPY.
So we're gonna start drawing.
But remember, tell me what to do because I see you squinting. You want me to zoom? Baby boy, tell me I'll zoom in.
No, it's okay like that. It's okay.
Okay.
I use glasses, that's why.
Got you. Put them on if you need them.
Nah, I think we can see better.
All right. So tell me what to do. I don't know what to do, Victor. You got to tell me. I don't know.
So now we're gonna start drawing the support and resistance lines.
Okay. Tell me where you want me to draw them, baby boy.
Where the same price line is, let's start with that one.
All right.
Because I can see on the left side, it's touching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind
Let's
of.
change the color to blue. Okay. Here you go.
Nice. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Tell me what else to do because again, you have to tell me.
Try to find another, if we can draw another line. If not, then we
All
can
right.
go.
Tell me where, baby boy. Up, down, where?
This is the monthly, right?
Yeah.
How much? Oh, we need to check the price range of the ticket.
I was waiting for you to say that. All right, so hold on. This might be a problem. I can't cover that.
Because you
You'll
can
see
show
the
the
ticket,
ticket.
but no, I can move the hold on. I can move the camera because I want to really enjoy it where nobody knows what it is. Hold on. Let me see if I can just. No, this way.
Yep, there you go.
Let me see.
No, it just came back in.
Let's hide that. All right, here we go. All right, cool. All right, so let me tell you because I can't hide the symbol now. It's gonna pop up. So this thing moves $4, roughly $3 to $4 move a day. The price action on this, Victor.
Okay. Well, the problem is I can't see the price then in the line, so you have to.
Oh, I'll tell you the baby what. I'll
Okay.
That's why I'll
All
zoom
right.
in. I got you.
All right.
All right, here I'll zoom in. I'll expand. I got you. So right now the price of this stock is $138, Victor.
Okay.
The line you just made is the price right now is $138.20. The line you just made is $138, Victor.
Okay. So $4 less.
I don't know. You got to tell me. Here, I'll tell the prices as I move the lines up and down. You guide. I'll guide you.
Okay.
You just tell me.
Got it.
This is 147. Higher or lower?
Go higher.
This is 152.
Can you go to the from right to left, the 1, 2, 3, the 4 candle in the top of the wick? That one? No,
This
the
one?
other one. Right?
This one?
No, sorry. Right. From right to left, the 4th candle. That one.
151. Way out of the range.
What if we try to touch on the body of that candle? No, top body of that candle. There.
149. Way out of the range.
Still. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, see, this is the problem with doing it on Zoom. With the phone,
Yeah.
I could bring it right there for you, I know, but we got to deal with it for like 2 weeks. I'll be back next month.
Okay, let's go lower. There.
141.90. But it's not touching anything else, baby boy.
No, that don't work then.
So what do you want to do?
So it looks like it's going down. So let's go lower than that. Lower than the first line that we draw.
This one is 135.
It looks 1, 2. 1,
Here, I'll
2.
expand it. It touched here, Victor. and
And
almost
there.
here.
That's it, right? You don't have no more clusters to the left?
Let's see. Here's his entire history, Victor.
That's it. Okay.
It's never been to these levels before. These are like new levels of his history.
Well, if it's a monthly time frame, we can leave that. It touches 2 candles, so we can go
Okay.
down now to the weekly.
Done? All right, here you go, Victor. Let me zoom in for you.
Hey, Ronnie, cluster means a group of candles. So
Yeah,
just in
no.
case you don't know.
No, I understand that. It's just when there's a lot, like if there were more to the left,
Okay.
be all jacked up.
Ronnie, you ready for this? Victor, how many hours roughly did I spend teaching you support resistance?
Almost the whole seminar, because even the indicators, that's what it's all about.
I roughly spent maybe 15 hours plus. Yes.
Whoa.
I spent over, there's no way on God. I'm going to be straight. I'm going to have people message me. They're like, yo, we like the new version of you. I'm like, okay, I'm going to just be straight. There is no way on God's green earth you can truly master trading. I'm going to be straight.
Yeah.
Just from the book, just from my free course. Baby boy, I'll say what I just said again. He said it first. it was a 4-day event. I spent majority 15 hours roughly teaching one topic so aggressively, Ronnie.
Okay.
Just so you know, so I don't want you to, because I'm reading your face, you're like, I'm a little lost. There's no 15 hours, Ron.
Yeah.
15 hours teaching one concept.
Okay.
So boom.
I'm good.
So it's okay if you don't get it the first time around, because
Okay.
this is something why I stress the mentorship so much, because no way you can learn something so easily from one thing.
Right.
You have to enhance it. So just keep that in mind, all right? Don't be
Yeah.
so hard on yourself.
Okay.
All right, Victor, I'm on the weekly, baby boy. What do I do next?
Okay.
And the price, if you can't see the dotted line, it's above the second line. It's right above the second line, baby boy.
So it's touching those two on the east side?
Yup.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's try on your right side, that bottom red candle over there. And,
The one by itself?
Yeah.
Okay, done. 129.
And was the
The
first
price
one?
was 138, and it moves roughly $3 to $4.
138, 129. No, that's too much.
Way
What
too
about
much.
that body of the green candle on the right side?
Body of the green candle. This one?
Uh-huh.
133.
We can leave that there
We can?
because
Good
it
man,
touches
keep going. What else?
3. Okay, now we can draw that bottom one. What was the price again of the bottom wick that I told you first? The red
This
candle?
one?
Uh-huh.
This was 129. Way out of the range.
That's too much. Okay, let's just go
We
find
got-
another one on the
Go
top
ahead,
side.
go ahead. Tell me.
Let's go.
Here, I'll move it. You tell me. I'll just move it for you.
Check over there, the price. That
The
one?
price is 141.
Nah, too long.
No. It moves $3 to
38,
$4.
140. Okay, yeah, we can leave that one. It touches 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Tell me what else.
I mean, no, that's too much. So what about the instead of the wick, the body of the red candle, the one on the right?
The one on the right, the body of which one?
No, sorry, the bottom one, bottom.
This one?
That one, the body of the candle.
This one? 131.56.
131, and the line above, what price is?
135.
That works.
You don't need it.
No, it's too low, right? Yeah,
Too low.
we can
Give me
go
some
then.
higher ones. Remember, if you don't see it, you know what to do.
We can go down to the daily time frame.
Let's see. Let's get rid of that one. Daily time frame. All right, here you go. Let me show you the whole picture. Let me expand. Oh, okay. There you go, Victor. I'll move out of the way so you can see it better. Tell me where you want me to zone in or zoom in or anything like that.
Okay. Let's go to the same first cluster.
This
On
one?
the right. Yeah. Open it. Let's see if we can. Oh no, there's. Can you zoom out? One, two, three, four. Okay. Okay, on your left side, you see that red candle with the long wick? That cluster over there on the left?
This one?
Next candle to the left. Go up in the bottom. No. Next one to the right.
This one?
Next one to the right.
This
No,
one?
no, no, the next red candle. That one over there. Check on the body. The body. What price it says? No, the,
139. And the
And,
price right now of this stock is 138. This one is 139.
no. Unless it moves $1. Go to the next left candle to the top of the body. That one over there.
139.88.
It's still the same. But it no.
How many is it hitting?
1, 2, 3.
Good or bad?
I mean, if it moves like, SPY moves like $1 every
Yeah,
time.
yeah, and this is $1.
So we can leave that one.
We can
Yeah.
leave it. So we'll do a quick scalp on this one. Let's do a quick.
Yeah.
Remember, I want to teach you guys more on quicker, get it and get out. That is, I remember that's lately been my focus. If you went on when I was on IG, if you watch my stories or videos, my 30-day reel challenge, it was more focused. Take the trade and get out. There's no need to make 20 lines. We're not sitting there all day. I need you to take one trade and get the hell out of there.
That happens to me.
What'd you say?
That happens to me a lot. Sometimes a lot of lines.
Because you want to take all the trades possible.
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll talk about this at the end. When this ends, we'll do a private live with the mentorship students. Because I missed the close friends. Like I missed that. I don't miss IG. I'm gonna be straight. I'm very happy off of it. I'm not complaining. I'm not gonna lie. I am actually loving not being on it. It's like feels really good. Ron, what do you think? You want to do anything before Victor tells me? What would you do? Would you do anything yet, or you don't even do any of this?
I told you, I wouldn't. I don't even do that.
God damn, Victor. You see, he's missing the foundations.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. No worries. All right, so what do I do next then, boys? Victor, what do I do
Okay,
next?
go to the right red candle on that.
No, we got our lines. We're done. We got our lines.
No more? Okay. You see, if you let me, I'll keep doing lines.
So what did you learn from what I just did then? What did you just learn?
Always focus on the price range of the ticker and then start drawing lines depending on that movement.
Yeah, why are you making so it's okay. No, I know, because your brain says I want all the money.
Yeah.
All the money. For example, hopefully you come on in December for the live trading, Victor. We're gonna take 1 to 2. We're gonna do the competition. We're gonna do 1 to 2, and that's it. Boom.
All right.
All right, what do I do next? What do I do next?
After daily, what I will do, start checking on I'll go down to the 2 hour, but
Done.
you know what? I learned from one of your mentor students on the Telegram that just draw the lines until the day. That helped me a lot too, to draw way less lines. So
What does that mean to the day? What does that mean to the day?
oh, sorry, to the 2 hour time frame. Sorry. From monthly, weekly, and daily time frame.
Gotcha.
Just to stop on the daily time frame drawing lines. It helped me a lot too.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
I love it. I love
Shout out to Sebastian. He teach me that.
it. He's the Sebastian. Well, Sebastian's the best.
Yeah.
You'll get there too. Remember, you're new. Sebastian's been around.
Okay.
All right. So what do you think? What are we doing now?
We are in the 2 hour. I mean, I'll go straight to the 15.
15?
Because you teach us to do the 2 hour, for the support and resistance line. So for now,
What are you thinking?
I can actually candles now.
No, we can't.
No?
The replay button won't allow me to.
Oh,
They don't have
okay.
yeah, for some reason,
Okay.
TradingView doesn't allow it.
Okay, well, now we will check if the support and resistance lines are drawing in the right spot. They're
And what do you
hitting
think?
the levels.
What do you think?
I got 1, 2. If you ask me, I'll draw more lines, but it looks good.
Now, here's the
Look
thing,
at
right?
another way.
Ron and Victor,
Yeah.
let me ask you a question. Let's have a conversation here. Let's have a conversation, boys. The market opens in 15 more minutes. This move from here to here is a full $1 move.
Okay.
Would everyone watching this not love a full $1 move? I don't care, call, contract, shares, one full dollar move. Would anybody here complain about a full $1 move?
No.
No
It'll
way
be-
on
it'll
God's
be
green
great.
earth.
Yeah.
Listen, I catch a 20, 30 cent. I'm not going to say the amount, but it's more than a normal person makes on a monthly, 2 monthly salary. If I caught a dollar move, oh, I am hoping for the collapse in the next few, when the market opens next week. I am so hoping, not the collapse, sorry, I shouldn't, the wrong word, not a collapse, but a full downfall of the SPY, because I'm ready to short this mother down and then ride it right back up. Oh, that's how you double your money. That's how you just double. So boom.
That'll be great.
Yeah, so point being, boys and Victor, this is how you minimize your trading amount. Just take this one. We're gonna take this one. We're gonna take this one, but we're not done. We gotta backtrack. We gotta backtrack because we missed some things. What did we miss to do? I'm going back to the daily time frame. I'm going back to the daily time frame. What did we miss to do? Let's go.
On the daily,
What do we do after support resistance and all that stuff is done, boys? Ronnie,
Okay.
maybe this is your time now.
You say after the daily?
After we do support resistance, what do we do next? Don't say pre-market. We checked it already. Don't say pre-market.
No.
Victor, help him.
trend lines.
That's
No,
what
that's later. Before that.
Oh, before that,
I was thinking about. That's what I was thinking about as a trend line. If you know.
Your MACD and RSI, boys.
Oh, that's okay.
So let's look at it. Let's look at what the indicators are saying. Let's look at the RSI first.
Okay.
Are we at a good buy or are we at a good sell position?
looks like sell. Well, buy because I got one line already touching on the 30.
Very good.
That's
If
what,
you're here, this is your buy area. If we were here, this is your sell.
oh, right.
So are we good as of now?
Yes.
Yep.
We're at a good place. I'd
Yep.
rather be here than here any day of the week.
Mhm.
The risk here is too great. We all know this.
Mhm.
We all
Yep.
know this. So that's the RSI. Let's go to MACD. MACD looks atrocious. MACD just looks atrocious
Yeah.
on the daily. So MACD
Sinking.
don't look good at all. But FYI, the entire market don't look good. Let's just be clear on
Yeah,
that fact.
Right.
Exactly.
So it's
yeah.
not really the stock. So we're clear. It's actually the entire market itself. So just, boom on that one. I'm pretty sure if I pulled up 50 tickers and looked at MACD alone, it would be atrocious.
All of them, yeah.
So let's now go back to the 15. Let's look at it from this perspective. Let's turn on the MACD. We are scalpers. On the 15, how does the MACD look? For a quick scalp.
We're gonna
Looking
start to go
good.
up.
It looks good for a quick scalp. See, this is why I like scalping. This is why you'll always see me, praise God, God willing, always be around. Is because I'll just take a trade, 1 or 2 trades, and I'm done for the day.
Uh-huh.
And this tells me that we might catch, or this is, let me hear from Ronnie. I want to know if Ronnie knows. Ronnie, does this look good for a long or a short?
It looks good for a short
Tell me why.
because if you just from the lines, the lines are, well, for one, it's coming down here on the right. You've already had the fatter lines to the left. So it's coming down on the right side here. They're getting smaller. So you would, go in and come out.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, what about the point about this? What I always say, when the buyer line and the seller line get above the 0-point histogram, what happens?
It's going to move up.
It's going to move up very nicely.
Yeah.
So in the short term, this might move up very nicely.
Right.
Could. Didn't say it will.
Right.
Could
Could,
move up very
yeah.
nicely.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to keep that in the back of our minds and write that down in our trading journal.
Okay.
So let's look at the RSI. Which way is it trending up? Which way is it trending? Damn, I gave the answer. It is trending
Going
up.
up.
I
Yeah.
said which way is it trending up. I was supposed to say which way is it trending. It is trending up.
Right.
So are we looking good so far for the 15?
Yeah.
Yes.
We are looking good so far.
Right.
So let's get rid of that. And what do we do next, boys? Now what do we do? We're almost there. Market opens in 5 more minutes. What do we do next?
Trend line.
Trend line. How do I make it? I don't know. Ronnie, how do I make a trend line?
You're going to go from,
Tell me.
I would
I don't
say,
know.
from the bottom out, yeah, right about there, up
To
to
where?
the red, up to the red line, like that.
How many candles should it touch, Ronnie?
I don't know exactly.
I don't know. You got to tell me. I don't know.
I would say 2. It will touch the
Add one more to that too.
3.
Minimum 3.
Minimum
Minimum 3 to get the full confirmation on the trend, Ronnie. I love that he's taking notes. There you go. That's a good student right there. So we got a minimum of 3. What is the trend on this, boys?
Uptrend.
Uptrend.
It's an uptrend. So that means immediately that should we go long or short?
Long.
Long. There is no reason to go short. Do not
Okay.
go against whatever this is trying to tell you here.
Mhm.
So keep that in mind.
Okay.
Now, what do we do? The market opens in 2 more minutes. What do we do now?
Trend the EMAs and the VWAP.
Okay.
Right.
And the volume too.
Yep. I think the volume's on. The volume's on, baby boy.
Okay.
So now,
All right.
oh my God, that's pretty cool. Look,
Where's
the
the
neon green is the VWAP, and look where it's holding.
right there?
On top of it, the 200 is up here, by the way. We're below it. We're far, far
Okay.
below it. But again, majority of the stocks are below it. That's just, we have to have this understanding that the market is in a bear market. So majority of it is, so boom. So now, what do we do now?
I will wait.
No, not wait. But what are we doing now to get ready for the market? What do we do now? The last step, boys. Well, Ronnie doesn't know because he hasn't done this before. But Victor, what do we do now? What's the show called?
Entry.
Give me your entry. Okay, boys, I'm going to give you all the levels. Ready? I'm going to write it down on the board. Let's go. I'll give you 4 minutes. And everyone watching at home, you can play along as well. I will write all the levels down. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes. Write your entry, your exit, your stop loss. Write them down, and then drop them in the chat. Sean Reese, yes, go to the link in my bio down below this video and scroll down to the brokerage called Trade Zero. All you need is 2,500 a short. Yeah. All right, here we go. I'm gonna give you all the levels for this right now. So we got 135.66, 138, 139.88, 141.76, and the price now is 138.20. All right, boys, I'll give you, can you see the board, boys?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll give you 3 minutes. Write this down in your notebooks, your entry, your exit, your stop loss, and I want to know why you picked them. Go, 3 minutes. I'll stand on the corner and I just talk to everybody. What's up, everybody at YouTube? Hope all is well. Listen, Monday, the market's closed. Columbus Day, Columbus Day, Indigenous Peoples Day, Italian. I know they keep changing the days, but point being, I'll see you on Tuesday, live on Tuesday. Be careful with the market on Tuesday. We had a massive sell-off today. Let's see what happens. Praise God. Hopefully the sell-off continues. I really want to just keep this. I love getting stocks at a cheaper price. I love doing that. So boom. And by the way, let me know, what do you want to learn on Tuesday? Drop it in the comment box. What do you want to learn on Tuesday? If you are in USA Trades, are still a onshore trader, or is it offshore where you get past the PDT? I don't know. See, I don't know. I'm over the money, so I don't know about the. Oh, yeah. PDT rule applies. The PDT rule applies. It just came to me now. The PDT rule applies, but there's a way around it. Download Webull, Thinkorswim, Trade Zero. Now you have 3 brokers. Every 2 days, switch. Simple. There's the hack right there. Put 500 each, 1,000 each. Now you broke through the PDT rule. Very simple. Boom. What's up, Bodega? What's up? I haven't seen you today. I was like, where is he? Boys, you got 1 more minute. Finish up. Everybody at home, you got 1 more minute too. I want your entry, your exit, stop loss. I want everyone playing along with us tonight. But yeah, please do drop what do you want to learn. What do you want to learn on Tuesday? What lesson should I do? Boom. Everything you guys need, link in the bio. Did you guys watch the new videos? I dropped a lot of new videos on my website. I updated my website with new videos. Go check them out. Victor, you ready? Go ahead, take your time, big boy. No rush. It's my show, so no worries. Take your time. It's something you have to think about and plan.
Yeah.
What are they going to say in the comments? Go faster? I'll block them. Or just do this with crypto. No, yeah, I will. 100%. No PDT rule in cryptocurrency. 100%. The market is open on Monday. I could swear the market's closed on Columbus Day. Then what day am I confusing it with? Martin Luther King Day?
Probably Veterans Day.
Veterans Day. I guess I'm confusing it with Veterans Day.
Yeah, Veterans Day is November the 11th, I believe.
Oh, there you go. Thank you. Yeah. My bad. It is open Monday. Boom. Yes. Yes. I love when sometimes I need a break from the market when it's mentally exhausting. But then I'm like, come on, when the market does what it does, when he does these fun moves, I love it. I love clear direction moves. That's what I like. Clear down, clear up. Don't like the chop. Well, nobody likes choppy. What am I saying? No one. I don't think anyone likes that. Unless if you're doing covered calls. Isn't the market okay? Entry. What's up, Diana? By the way, Diana, Lester, if you guys are watching, all the old seminar students that came to New York, we're uploading the review videos to the site. My guy is working on it right now. Only the bond market is closed. Got you. Great show, Professor. Thank you, Michelle. You guys are dropping your entries already. You know we here. Can't ever miss the GOAT live. Appreciate you, Bodega. All right, guys, let's go. Everyone, drop your entry, exit, stop loss. Victor, we'll start with you.
Well, if I see it the way it looks like.
Hold on. Let me find some space because I need these levels here. All right, so we'll do Victor first. Victor. So I want your entry. I want your exit.
You want your way or my way?
No. Do everything your way. Do everything your way.
Because the way it looks, you know what I'm gonna do after market opens. I
know. Listen, do everything your way. Because remember what I taught you. I will give you the keys to the kingdom, but only you can unlock it once I'm gone.
Yeah.
So remember. All right, let's go.
But I've learned my lesson. I should wait. I'm gonna wait until the market goes up all the way to 139.88.
You know what? You know what? The last show, I didn't do this. I'll give you my, after everyone does theirs, I'll give you mine. I'll play two. I'll play two. Go, Victor.
But after all the stuff I learned, that red candle scares me. So I will wait a little bit more for confirmation. But
no,
anyways, if the trade goes up all the way up, I'll wait to 139 to get in. 139.88.
Oh, hold on. Okay. I'm not gonna say anything.
But if it was me, I will get in immediately. It opens. So.
No. Do you? I want you to do you.
Okay. I will get in immediately at 138.20 and get out at 139.88.
All right, no, I want you to do you. 138. What was it? What was the entry?
138.20.
Exit?
And 139.88.
Stop loss?
Stop loss, I can't tell exactly, maybe like the
But boy, I gave you all the levels. What do you mean you can't tell? I gave you everything.
Okay.
yeah, but I'm not gonna do a big stop loss, you know, I gotta
Oh, it's
protect the
whatever you
money.
want. It's whatever you want.
I'll put it like 130 137.90 just to protect
137.
0.90.
Okay. And this is Victor. All right, next, Ron.
Okay.
Ron, give me your entry. Okay, wait, I don't have space there. We can do it here. Entry, exit, stop loss. Go, Ron.
Entry would be 138.
138 exactly.
No, one.
No, I'm not commenting. You have to tell me. I'm going to comment at the end when you're done.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, 138. I'm just gonna
Done?
go with 138
Done?
exactly. 138.
Okay, what's your exit?
Now I had my exit at 1. I was looking at 146, 141.
Okay.
Wow.
141. Okay, exactly.
Mhm. Well, yeah.
Okay, okay. And what's your stop loss? Y'all two about to get some serious lectures in 5 minutes. Hold up.
I
Finish.
know.
You finish. You're about to get some serious lectures.
136.
All right, cool. Cool, cool. Let me look at the comments and then I'm going to lecture you after it. Hold on. Let me look at what the comments, the folks at home are saying. What up, baby boy? All is well. Is the market okay? We did entry. Okay, hey, what's up, Diana? Diana says 138.02 is the entry. Stop loss 137.98. Profit target 139.95. I like everything except your profit target, Diana. Okay, let's go. Sean Reese says 138. Entry 139.87. Okay. 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 I'll talk about it. I'll talk about it. Let's see. Brian 138.21 entry. Okay. Exit 139.87. Okay. Stop loss 137.98. Okay. Jota, professor, I want to learn how to short crypto. Well, yeah, of course. Guys, Jota, everyone. At the mentorship, I teach you how to scalp trade stocks, short and long, how to swing trade stocks, how to swing trade cryptocurrency, long and short. And for example, Victor, you were there. You were there for the full 4 days. Did I not say exactly what Matic was going to do before he did it?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Did I not make all of you sell Matic at that point at resistance right before the collapse?
Yeah.
Did I not call it literally like less than 1 hour before it happened to the T?
Uh-huh.
The man was there. It was recorded on 4K. I still don't have the video yet because it was a lot of terabytes. That's eventually going to come to me. But this man was there when I called it. So yes, I teach you all of that. I forced everyone to get out. I made everyone get in, and then I made everyone get out before the collapse. And it, praise God, I was in shock, Victor. When I was going to Chunky Cookies, I'm like, yo, look where it fell. Crazy.
The weight drop, yeah.
Crazy. Praise God. I love that I know what I know. All right, now that I got theirs, let's look at it. So let me give you the lecture. Victor, I'm gonna start with you, ass. And then I'm gonna come at you, Ron, in 2 minutes. All right, so let's go. The price. Oh.
Oh,
Hold on. Is it right here? Well, hold on. Why did it do that? How do I get this? It's right here. Oh, sacre bleu. Smartboard, why did you do this? All right, it's okay. You boys wrote down your levels, right?
right. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Let me write this again, and then I'll hold on. I didn't even touch it. It is what it is. This is 138. This is 135.66. This is 139.88. This is 140, 141.76. All right, Victor, give me your entry first.
My way, 130, 138.20. No, sorry. Well, yeah, my way, but your way,
No,
139.
I want to know what your entry was. Don't change the
That one.
subject.
That one, 138.20.
138.20?
Yeah.
I thought you said 139. No?
Well, your way, doing it your way.
I'm saying my way. I want your way.
My way, 138.20. Yeah, immediately. Yeah.
138.
Yeah.
No. What I tell you, Victor, no, we're not doing it that way.
To wait.
That is
Yeah.
dangerous. You know, that's worse than going to the casino and just put it all on black.
No, even that red long candle scares me too.
You have a better chance of winning. Shout out to Christian Mendoza, by the way. He's good at the casino. He's good. I don't gamble. I've been there, but I've never gambled. I'm not a gambler. Point being, you have a better chance, Victor, of that putting it all on black at the roulette table than goddamn what you trying to pull off over here. You out of your goddamn mind. No. What was your exit?
130. I didn't 137.80 cents, something like that. I didn't wrote it.
137.
It was 137.
Your exit, baby boy.
Oh, exit. 130, 139.88.
Why is your exit the exact as the resistance? You know what's going to happen. A penny before, a penny or 2 pennies, 3 pennies. I don't care. You got to get out earlier.
Oh, okay.
Always get out earlier. Don't trust that it's going to hit that level. Secure profits before a pullback happens.
Okay.
You know you've seen it do this. Get out before the Get out before that. And what was your stop loss?
137.80 cents.
A whole dollar. 137 point what?
0.80 cents.
Oh, 0.80. Oh, that's not bad. That's not
Yeah.
bad. Okay, that's not bad. All right, cool.
That's
All
the
right.
only good thing.
Basically. Ron, your lecture time. What was your entry? Let's go.
I didn't do one. No. I said 138.
Exactly?
Yes, that's what I put.
No, Ron, you can't have that. You have to be 138.01, 138.02, 138.03, 138.04, etc. But not exactly the level of support that's dangerous.
Okay.
Just have it above it.
Oh,
Any
I
level
see.
above, I don't care. But not the exact number.
Okay.
All right. What was your...
The
Go ahead.
I went hell of a way up. I went 140. 140.
Yeah, well, so that is out of control. Your exit is 140, 170. What the freak are you doing, Ron?
I know.
You want to secure prop. Listen to me. If this was during COVID, I'm with you 100%. Everything's going to the moon. Things are moving $4, $5, $6, $7 in a day. I'm with you. But this market, if it could give you one thing, Victor, Ron, and everybody watching, it's this: secure profits at all times.
Okay.
I will say it. I guess I'm going to have to say it every show now. Would any of you mind making $400 a day in less than an hour?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
You would mind?
Oh, I wouldn't
No,
mind. No.
That's over what, 7,000, 8,000 a month?
Yeah.
That's roughly 100,000 a year. You're complaining?
No, I wouldn't.
So that we got to take profits.
Okay.
Again, we are so distracted by the people posting $50,000 days, $100,000 weeks, that it's messed everybody up. Not me, because I'm cool with, if I make 500, I'm cool. I make 1,000, I'm cool. I make 2,000, I'm ecstatic. 3, I'm ecstatic. Listen, I'm not an options trader. I'm never going to sit here and say that the most I've ever made was 20,000. Most, and that was during the heat of the energy. The heat of the green energy surge, when the green energy stocks were just mooning. Everything was mooning when BIDEN became president, and all that. I just rode that wave up. But that was one time. That was one time. I'm gonna be straight, and everyone knows I don't make 20,000 a day. That is insane. Again, if you're making that, let's be realistic. You think you didn't? They're not keeping it every week, people.
Uh-huh.
Right.
The inverse of 20,000 is the loss of 20,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So Ron, take profit sooner, puppy.
Okay.
Take profit sooner. What was your stop loss, Ron?
That's at 136.
You're out of your goddamn mind, Ron. You're out of $2 away from your support? That would wreck your account. You would lose almost everything. Ron, your profit target is $1, but your loss is $2. You wildin'. No, it has to be below 138. It could be 137, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. I don't care. It just has to be a candle close below. If a candle closes below, get the freak out of there. It's too late now. That's how I shorted PLTR today. Once one of the key levels of resistance broke, that's it. And I wrote it back down. That's all I did. That's it. Same thing with the SPY. Excuse me. By the way, guys, I will look at the SPY in the state of the market at the end of this live. Towards the end, I'll look at this. I'll give you my levels and I'll show you the state of the market. We'll do that later. I got you. So now that we're done, now I'll give you my levels. Ready, boys? And then we'll start the game. We'll start the market.
All right.
I am getting in anywhere above 138, but not past 138.10.
Okay.
Anywhere above 138. So 138.01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08. Because it is on an uptrend and it's been holding that uptrend. I am my target is 139, 87, 86, 8. I don't care. I want to see how the candles perform. But my target is a penny below this resistance. Okay. My stop loss is a candle close below 138. If a candle closes below it, I'm out, depending on how it looks. Which could be 137.99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 10 cents. Anywhere I'm out because this is a wide mover. So I have to change it a little bit. PLTR doesn't move like this bad boy. So I have to change it for this bad boy because this moves way differently than PLTR. Remember, in trading, there's no black and white. It's grays everywhere. It's all grays. Because the way I trade with PLTR, I could never trade with SQQQ. Oh, hell no. SQQQ, I like SQQQ, the inverse. And if you, again, my IG's down. But if anyone can remember, I did the live on SQQQ months ago. I think SQQQ was worth $30 maybe. And I think now it's, what is it, $60? It's doubled since my live. So if you would have just stuck on to my live and stayed with SQQ, you could have just been riding that up. It's up $30 already, I believe, roughly. I'm just again, my IG's down. Don't quote me on that, but I think roughly that much. So there you go. Are we ready, boys?
Yep.
Yep.
Let's do it. Let's start this off. All right, 1 minute time frame. Here we go. Here we go. By the way, just a confirmation, it is holding on the the 200 and the VWAP perfectly, just so we're clear. Now I am very bullish on this. So now my math, I'm going to change it up a little. I am more bullish on this now. Tell me why I'm more bullish on this, boys. Now even more so. Why?
But you're still in the 1 minute time frame. I will be checking
I'm on the 1
5
minute.
minutes too.
I'll go to the 5 minute too. Yeah. I'll go to the 5 minute too. We are trending up. VWAP hold. 200 right there. Talk to me.
I wouldn't get in.
Well, not immediately, Victor.
Oh,
Not immediately. All right, let's do it. I'm about to turn on. You guys can see everything. I don't have to shut the lights off, right? We're good?
No, we're good.
No,
Okay, that's the benefit of this. Bro, my eyes hurt every time on IG when I have to shut the lights off for you guys to go dark. My eyes hurt every time. All right, let's go. I'm going to turn this on. Let me see. Where do I have to stand so I don't block anybody? Hold up.
You
Are you good there?
You good.
I'm good? Okay. All right, here we go. All right, we are ready. Remember, you have your level set. You know your levels. I'll repeat the price. Can you guys see the price or no?
No.
All right, let me see then. Okay, let me try to zoom in. Tell me until you can see it, boys. I'm going to try to zoom in as much as I can. Do you see the price now?
A little bit.
Okay, no, I want it to be clear here. Hold on. Oh, no, now it got worse.
Yeah, that's a
Hold
problem.
on. Let me see what light to shut off. Hold up. Is it this light? It's that line. That doesn't help. Nope, none of it's gonna help. All right, I'm gonna have to just say it. None of that's helping. I'll just tell the price, okay, boys? I'll just talk as it's happening.
All right.
All right, here we go. Let's do it. So let me zoom out then. All right, let's go. 3, 2. Here we go. Ooh, baby. Oh, it held. It's 138.01. It held. It's holding. It's holding above the trend line and the support line. Let me pause this for a second. Hold on, pause. What does this tell us we did? What does that mean about this line?
That is a right, strong level.
Yeah. But what does that mean for us?
Possibility to get into the trade.
Get in.
Correct. What else?
What
Pat
else?
yourself on the back. You did a good job. You did a good job. That means you did a good job. All right, let's go. Turn it back on. We're at 138.63. 138.80. 138.35. 138.97. 139.32.
Wow.
139, 138.48. I'm getting in on the next candle. I'm waiting for the next one to get in on this. I'm in 138.80. I'm taking it. I'm in. I'm using the VWAP. Sorry, I'm using the 200 as my my entry.
Can you stop it there, Professor?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what do you?
Okay, my question, why wouldn't you get on, personally, I would get in on the, you know, the big red, big green candle, the next candle. I would get in on the next one on the right. No, that one. Why did you wait so long to get in?
Yeah.
I needed a pullback.
Oh, okay.
I wanted a pullback. Remember how we traded when we were in when we did the mentorship? The pullback on PLTR? We missed the original run. We got the pullback.
Oh, okay.
As long as we're above the support, we're fine.
Okay.
Let's go back. As long as we're above 138, we are fine.
Yes.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm loving it. I like to always be in, Victor, at pullbacks. I like pullback trading. You know me. It's okay if I miss the original run. I'd rather be patiently wait for that. We're at 139.23, 139.02. We are 88 cents away from our exit. We are now going sideways, full consolidation. But again, it's holding above support, above trend, above 200, above VWAP. We are bullish. I am fine with this trade. No reason to get out early. Everything is saying that we are good. 139.07, 139.17, 138.93, 139.04, 139.25. It wants to break through. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh,
Is this about to be the boom? We got a knock. And we
There
got it.
There you go. Get out.
And we got it. There we go. I'm out. I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm done. Talk to me. Ron, why did you say, your face the whole time was like in amazement, in shock, and amusement at the same time. I noticed that. Tell me why.
Well, I was looking at where you said you entered.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Because I was thinking about that candle.
Hold on, Ron. Let me just get the whole play on the board for a second. Here we go. This was the entire play of today. From support to resistance, all I do. No, stop. Go back. Go. How do you go back? Right here. Come on. Come on. One more candle. Boom. All right. Pause. All right, Ron, now talk to me.
Where you said you entered
Uh-huh.
and you said you were waiting on a pullback.
So whenever this move happens, very hard to catch because it
Right.
happens usually fast.
Okay.
I wait for this event to take place. The pullback. As long as I am above the key
Oh, okay.
level of support, I am not concerned about anything. As long as I have a very strong level of support, which I noticed right here, Ron.
Okay.
The first 4 candles told me that Victor did a very good job. Who taught you all this, Victor?
My mentor,
Who's this mentor of yours?
the day trade professor.
Boom. Thank you, baby boy. Once I saw this, I already knew, Ron, and that's it.
Okay.
Baby boy, I'd rather get on the pullback than
Mhm.
get in here and now be stuck in the trade.
Right.
I felt those emotions in the early days and they hurt. Human being, the Buddha says, life is a cycle of suffering. We must learn what causes the suffering to detach ourselves from that cycle. And I know what my suffering was. When I used to get on those and be stuck, oh, Ron, it hurts.
Oh, yeah.
It hurts. I'd rather be as close to the key level of support, because I'll feel more comfortable.
Mhm.
When I short, I'd rather short from resistance all the way back down. I'd rather be closer because I'll feel more comfortable, Ron. That's it. That's all it is. Because you saw it. From here to here, I'm out. It did it. Oh, by the way, not only was our support good, wasn't Victor's resistance good?
Mhm.
It whipped. And before the boom happened, I didn't draw the line. But again, I created the knock boom, but I didn't even draw the line. But what did I say before it happened, Victor?
That you were gonna get out anyways there.
No, I said what's coming?
The rejection.
The boom. I know the boom is coming. I
Oh,
said.
the knock.
So boom. What else, boys? Go ahead. Let's debrief. Talk to me. What else did you get?
Professor, I got a question for you.
Victor.
I didn't ask it on the seminar, but people as a new green on this trading, do you recommend them to read the Candlestick Bible or just
My baby boy, again, I'm not selling my book. I'm not selling my book. But everything's in here.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
This is the fourth. Yeah, you don't need it. Baby boy, you know what I taught you with Hike and Ashi.
Yeah.
You don't need it. And now the 5th edition, you have the 5th edition. You guys will get this soon enough. This answers everything you need is here. Everything. Right here. You don't need it, Victor. But if you want to look at it, go to the private seminar portal. There's 100 books there.
Okay.
If you want to. But my suggestion, Victor,
Stick to the book.
Victor, if you just stick to what I've taught you, you don't need anything else.
Okay.
You just need to be patient and keep going. Don't go distracted by someone else who can say their mentor is in front of their face right now, has a course, wrote the book on it. Who could say that? And you can actually see me. You can actually come to New York. You see what I'm saying? Tell me one other.
None.
So you got me on that. So keep it to me.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Ron, keep going. Questions?
No, I'm good. I'm watching. I'm watching.
All right, so boys, hold on. I want you to answer this. Hold up. Let me load this up. Oh, by the way, the ticker was Apple.
Apple. Okay.
It was Apple. That was the ticker that we traded. All right, let me pull up. Please tell me it's going to be here, not lost somewhere. Is it here? Let's see. I lost it. All right, we could. I'll ask it right now. Give me one thing to summarize what you boys learned today. Give me one thing. And everybody in the chat do the same thing. Go.
To be patient.
Write it down, Victor, and tell me why you've said that. Write it down.
Because,
Write it down because I'm going to ask the people in the comments as well.
okay.
Guys, one thing you learned today. Tell me one thing you learned from today. Let me look at the comments. Are these stocks on MT5? You can use any brokerage for that, but that software is called TradingView. That line under the 200 is the dark CD. The dark green line was 200 EMA, and the light neon green was the VWAP. Very impressive. Thank you, Lizette. Hey, Lizette, you're coming to the New York event in November. I'll see you then, baby girl. I'll see you then. You'll learn all of this. You'll see me live too. You'll see me do it live. Professor, are you trading on the 15? No, that was the 1 minute. Ronald, Professor, can you highlight the knock, knock, boom? I don't see it. I got you. Hold on. I knew that was Apple. It moved just like this. It does. The pullback, yes. Yes. Need to get better at levels. Sean, you know what to do, baby boy. Guys, at home, everyone answer this. Answer this, and then I'll answer who was that? What Will asked, and then I'll do the SPY. Boom. Need to get better at level, wait for the pullback, and then go into trade. Yes. TRA, ACC, 100%. Nora, trust your, you got that. That comes with time, Nora. Trust the levels comes with time. By the way, we will make my levels with PLTR tonight after this live ends. Mentorship students, I got you. We'll do a private live. Ronald says, I learned to wait for the pullback. Yep, you must. Or being stuck in the high is it hurts, man. It hurts. I've been it, and I'm like, oh, why did I do that? I could have just waited a few minutes and got a better entry. Y'all wait a whole year. Watch this. How many of you, drop me in the comments, are waiting to go crazy for Black Friday, Cyber Monday to go your crazy shopping? You waited months and months for something specific. I don't know what people buy anymore. TVs, I don't get it. I think TVs are so cheap already. Why the hell do we wait for? I don't get that. Because when I turn the news, people are walking out with 75-inch TVs, and I'm like, don't they just cost like $500 for a TV? I don't even know.
You can beat that.
Trust your level, how to trade, to use the 1 minute, when exactly to enter, and how to see the exact. Yep, you got it, Diana. Be patient. Not enter as long as the market opens. Wait for the trend to settle. Yes, Stephen. Ronald, trade on the 1 minute. Trade close to the PA. Hit the like button, guys. Thank you, Glenn. I don't even know what the like numbers are. Hold on. Come on, people. 80 people watching, 47 likes. You know what? If I don't get 80 likes, I'm not showing you the SPY levels. I'm not going over the SPY if there's no 80 likes. I'm telling you right now. If I don't get 80 likes, I'm going to end the live with no SPY analysis. So boom, there you go. All right, let's go. Victor, give me one thing you learned today and tell me why you picked that.
I'm still working on that patience to stay in the trade longer, because I would see those little red candles in between when it was consolidating, I would get out.
I got you. Ron?
I learned about the, not to go beyond the resistance. I learned to take my profit.
So let me comment on Victor, and then I'm going to comment on you. Victor, this is going to take time. This is going to be the hardest struggle. Baby boy, I can teach you everything under the sun. I can be with you every day in person. I had a guy, he lives in Chicago. He's like, how much would it cost? I'll come there. You teach me everything, just me. Give me the price. I'll pay more than what's on your site for the mentorship. I said, it doesn't work that way. I said, that will cost me more of my time to sit there just with you. He's like, I'll pay you even more. I said, you don't understand my time. You're going to eat up my time. For me to help one person all that time, I don't care how much you give me. It's not worth it for me. I'd rather help. I'm like, you have to wait. It's like, I don't want to wait till November. I said, well, I'm sorry. It's not worth it for me. So the point of that story, patience, Victor, it's going to take you time to get there. Because I could be with you all day, every day. But the second I'm not there, you have to decide to do it all afterwards. I can help you with everything. But at the end, where does the real trust and confidence come from, Victor? Inside you. Yeah. And I'm going to be straight. No one can teach that. And I can help you learn it by my one share, one contract, 5 shares, slow and steady. I can help you build up your confidence, but at the end, only you can believe in you.
Yeah,
You.
so true.
Like people message me saying, why don't you mention options or stuff in the book? I am not going to stand here and pretend like I know options.
Mhm.
I'm going to be straight. I've gotten, oh, you don't know anything about trading if you don't know options. If that's your opinion, that's fine with me. Can I Google it and pretend like I know it? And yeah, people do that. I'm not doing it. That's not who I am. And people are not stupid. They can see right through fakeness.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
They can see it. I don't need to post fancy things. I don't want those people anyway. I don't want people to follow me for fancy things.
Right.
But the point being, Victor, it'll take time. The 1 share, 5 shares, 10 shares, baby boy, in due time. Get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
That's where your patience will come to play. You just have to hold steady because you know this is the way. You've seen me do it live, Victor. You've seen me do it live.
Yes.
So boom. Ron, now your point. Taking profits will never make you go broke.
Right.
Some of my traders' biggest problem is, Professor, I take profits too soon. When did that become a problem? Yes, you want to make more? Cool. Cool. Your support to resistance, close it in more.
Right.
That's it. Just close it in more. You got wider, you went double.
Yeah.
Just close it in more. We're done. You saw the trade we took.
Right.
But that's it, we're done. Victor, people would kill for $1 moves. Options or shares, kill for a whole dollar move. And imagine catching that every day, long and short, long and short, long and short.
Ooh, that'll make my day.
Not just your day, your 9 to 5 paycheck times 2 or 3, baby boy.
Oh, yeah.
That's in due time. In due time.
See, I'm just wondering where you start off. You know, I mean.
Well,
if
you
start
over it,
off with-
baby boy. Email me. I will send you the link
Okay.
to get the digital. And if you
Oh.
want to pre-order them, oh, by the way, close friends, seminar students, the publishing company is officially working on getting the book to New York. We are looking like a full physical. The digital one is out, but a full physical. As
Yeah.
of now, we are looking at 3 weeks. Unless there's hiccups or issues or anything. But the 5th edition, this is a sample in my hand. This is not what the 5th will look like, by the way.
Right.
This is just a sample the company gave me.
Mhm.
Boom. So Ron, you start with this and then the mentorship, and that completes your journey. That's it.
Okay.
No
So
jumping from
email
YouTube to YouTube.
So email you, sir?
Yeah, because I know you said you don't have Twitter. You could tweet me or email me, whichever one you want.
I'll email you, yes.
Email me. I'll send you the link, baby boy.
Okay.
You said you emailed me already, right?
Yes, I did, yeah.
Let me see. Wait, let me see if you emailed me or my tech guy or my book, the girl who runs my book sales.
Hey, Rodney, the good thing about this book is that in every chapter, he has a YouTube video link. Watch the videos too. They're pretty helpful.
Okay, yeah.
Ron, I got no email from you. You probably emailed my tech guy or my book sales girl or somebody else.
Right, yeah. It was on your, it was on the website.
No, I know there's three emails.
Oh, okay,
Ronnie, download Twitter. It's much easier to get to me on Twitter.
okay,
Day Trade PRO. Oh, it's under this video, Ronnie. It's under this video.
okay, sir. We'll do.
Yeah. All right. Let me see any questions to answer. Let me see. Learn to look at stop loss. I love it. Victor, I'm the same. That's why I stopped using the 1 minute. That also helps, Diana. But I understand again better and better. I love it, Diana. Jose, yep, 1 minute is too crazy. I feel like I'm in class. This is a class. This is your digital class in the metaverse. You can call it that. Should wait at least 30 minutes to settle down. That's what I always say. I wrote that in the book. I want to be part of this community. Adrian, you can. Link in the bio for everything. Link in the bio. Next one is in November. I think I only have 8 seats left and we're done.
Oh, wow. We got full.
Baby boy, yo, you guys want to hear a funny story? And I want to know, Victor, because Victor, you know me well. I'm your mentor. Tell me the truth about this story. This is a true story. I got a message on Twitter. Professor, I've been waiting all day hoping you would reply. I replied back. I'm like, what's up, baby girl? She goes, I don't know her, by the way. She goes, I want to sign up, but it's too expensive. You got a discount for me? I'm like, if you pay through this, I could give you a discount. She goes, okay, cool. How do I know you're the real professor? I'm like, there's only one way to prove it. Send me a message. I'll send you an audio note on Twitter. You can't do that. So I was like, all right, this is my Telegram. DM me there. She goes, there's a lot of fake telegrams. I'm like, oh God, there's fake everywhere. I said, okay, cool. Mind you, I'm putting up with this right now. Well, that's to the end. Then I'm like, how about you send me your Telegram? I'll DM you. So I DM her with the voice note. Hey, how you doing? This is the professor. Boom, boom, boom. Guess what she replies back? That doesn't sound like you.
Really?
She goes, that doesn't sound like you. Can you reply to my comment on YouTube? And then I'll send you the money and confirm it's you. I said, you know what? I appreciate you. Go learn from the free course. By the way, she was flying into New York. She was going to fly in to learn. I said, I appreciate you. The free course is enough. Please don't ever send me a message again. Blocked her everywhere.
No.
She gave me the second I got a migraine, I wiped you off the map. You don't exist to me anymore. I don't need anybody's money.
Right.
And if you need more proof, I took out my IG. If you saw how much I made on IG, you'd be like, why the freak would he do that? My mental sanity is worth more to me than any dollar amount.
Right.
Yeah.
And you don't believe that either? Cool. I only allowed 20 people at my event.
I know. Like I
The
said,
last
I'm watching
one,
it.
thank you, Ron. The last one sold out. They noticed in total, when you counted digital and in person, was it more than 20, Victor?
Yeah, like 21, 22, because it was the old seminar students.
Oh, the old ones. Oh, they came on the last day. I'll let the old one come on the live trading ones.
But there were 20. That was it.
Boom, boom. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make. If I was money hungry, I wouldn't tell people sold out. I wouldn't say only 20. So connect the dots. Don't look at my words. Look at my actions on what I really do. Go to the link in my bio. Go sign up for the December one. You can't. It's locked out for you. Simple as that. It's only for the mentorship students. Point being, I am here to help the small group because I can get to all of you. Victor, were there 20 in person, 20 virtual, or 20 total?
20 total.
Was I able to answer every single person's question?
Yes, sir. All the time you were saying it. You got my attention. Ask me now.
If you were in New York, you would have been on the party bus with me. You would have had dinner. By the way, I paid for the dinner, the party bus, the cookies. I paid for all of that. If you were there, you would have got even more of my attention, Victor.
That's what I regret, not going in person.
That's what I try to tell people. Well, eventually the Zoom will be gone. I'm testing it out in December. Eventually, no more Zoom. Because I noticed that the power of being next to me is on next level.
Yeah.
You got my full attention, bro. Full attention. You've Zoom people. Once I shut it off, you're gone. The New York people were next to me for hours and hours more.
Yeah.
So boom. So boom. All right. Anything else in the comments that Professor's the real deal? Thank you. Lisette is saying LOL Victor. I don't know why LOL Victor. I want the mentorship. Ronald, daytradeprofessor.com or DM me on Twitter, daytradeprof, P-R-O-F. Again, it's very easy to spot a fake and a real one, man. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Come on, people. There's only one website, daytradeprofessor.com. All right, guys. That's a wrap. Seminar students, give me 10 minutes. Let me get some water. I love it, Diana. Oh my God, that was an unbelievable experience. Thank you, Diana. So that's it. That's a wrap. Message me, Ronnie.
Yes.
I got you on Twitter. Victor, give me a few. Guys, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I will be private seminar students. We'll do a private live. So pull up. I'll give the Zoom. I'll drop the Zoom to somebody. Boom. All right. Professor,
Victor, it was
forget.
nice meeting you, man.
Pleasure to
Ronnie,
meet you, man.
hold on.
See you later.
Stay. Don't leave yet. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Professor, don't forget to point out the knock. I got you right now. Diana signed up after your review. I love that. Lizette signed up after Diana's review. I love that. All right. So wait, let me just show you the knock boom that I saw. Here. I don't even have to make it. I can see it. What just happened? Here we go. I saw it happen. And this was the boom. There you go. I saw it happen, and that was the boom. The line is not good. Boom. That's how I saw it. I saw it tap, and usually you guys already know it's in the book. It's in the book. It's a chapter on it. There's a quiz on it as well. Again, look. You read it, Ron? Check this out, Ron. You read it, watch the video, and then take the quiz.
Okay.
That way you can make sure you understood the material.
Will do.
Boom. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's a wrap. Let me go over the SPY. Boys, you can stay if you want. I don't mind. I'm gonna go over the SPY. You can stay here if you want to. You got my full attention. How about that? Stay. Let me go with the SPY. Thank you, Sarah Diana. I was thinking you spend more money pampering us rather than you earn from us. I appreciate that, Diana. Listen, I want to give you my mentorship students more than you can imagine. 100%. I appreciate that, Diana. That means a lot to me. That's literally what I go for. That's literally what I go for. You can't beat that. Like, look at that review right there. Like, come on, man. All right, let's look at the SPY. Let's look at the SPY. SPY. I think there's more bloodshed coming. Hopefully it does, because I really want to short some more and then buy it on the cheap. For those that might take that the wrong way, I need you to understand why I say that, okay? I short a stock PLTR. As it's coming down, I'm making money. But do you know what's also happening? It's getting cheaper. So when I go long, I get to buy it cheaper and ride it up by buying more shares and riding it up. That's why I love when that happens. People get excited when it just goes up, up, up. And then they buy, which is fine, but you're buying more expensive. Your price has gone up. What did that guy Fat Joe say in yesterday's price? What's the thing, Victor? It's a famous video. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Anyone know what that meme is?
No.
It's a famous Fat Joe video. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Something like, point being, that's why I like it. All right, there's the point on that conversation. All right, let's pull up the SPY. Here we go. It broke every single level that I made today. This is all of my levels today on the SPY. I am on the 2-hour time frame. Broke down. Completely. By the way, wait, did I get 100 likes? Because I said I'll give the levels if I made 100 likes. Nope. Wait, how many did I say? 100? Or how many likes did I say?
I'm
going to be honest. I said 100?
Yes.
Nope, this is only 71. So I guess I'm not giving the levels. I guess not. A mentorship students, I got you later tonight. But complete devastation. Let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours for a second. As you can see, wait, sorry, why did I say 4? Daily, my bad. As you can see, go back to my live on Tuesday. I said, do not get excited. Oh my God, we're out of the bear market. The market's what? Victor, did you watch my live on Tuesday?
Yeah. You said it was gonna be a little leg up and then it was gonna keep going.
Didn't Victor? Victor.
Yeah.
Victor.
It's happening.
You can. What are they saying? 80? You said 8. I said 80. Okay, I'll do. Okay, 80. No, my bad. My bad. 80. Okay, 80. All right, we're not at 8. Oh, we're at 80. All right, I gotta give the levels now. We're at 80. All right, all right. Fat Joe said yesterday's price is not exactly. Thank you, Maymuna. Yesterday's price is not today's price. But guess what? When it comes to when the stock is falling and you're shorting it and going long, yesterday's price is worse. Today's price is cheaper because it got cheaper. Everything got cheaper. But back to the point, if you don't believe that I said that, just go back to my live on Tuesday. It's saved. Victor, you watched it. I said this, don't get excited. I said, guys, please don't get too excited. We're still in a bear market. No, professor, that's it. No. This is what I was waiting for. When I told you earlier, I was waiting to short PLTR because I was waiting for this event to take place. This is the event I was waiting for. Now, here's the bad news, folks. Here is the bad news. I'm on the daily. Let me expand this. Wait, let me zoom out more. Yeah, here we go. We have been very good in this cluster. We have been very good within this cluster. We have been good. If this cluster fails and we get another leg down, we're in trouble. If you have swing positions, investments, long, it ain't looking so hot. If this breaks, I'll give you the levels, guys. I'm a man of my word. I'll give you my levels. If I said 80, I said 80. I'm a man of my word. We're in trouble if this fails. But if you have some shorts going, if you're in any inverse ETFs, for example, in the 5th edition, I'm not going to show it, but I'll show you one of the new chapters I added. Let me show you. I'm not going to show the tickers. There's a full chapter. There's a full chapter about inverse ETFs I did, and I gave you my favorite 10. So the 5th edition is jam-packed. Again, for those that are going to say you can't get this, you can't. Only mentorship students can get access. The rest of you, December. But point being, we have another leg down from the looks of it, because we've been on a downtrend for the longest. Fall, pump, fall, pump, fall, pump, another fall, pump. We are waiting for this downtrend to break. Until this downtrend breaks, you can't get excited by 1 day of a rally, 2 days of a rally, 3 days. You can't. You have to understand the overall trend of the market is down. So now, let me go to 2 hour. Let me expand. Let me give you the levels. These are the SPY's favorite levels. It loves to stay in here. Will it come back in here? Hell yes. Here, let me give it to you. Let me expand it because it is a lot. Because again, I was scalping this aggressively. Not the SPY. Just so we're clear. I don't scalp the SPY. I don't do options on the SPY. I do PLTR, but PLTR is directly correlated with the SPY. That's why you're going to see so many levels. There you go. Let me give it to you. I'll write them on the line. 373, 370, 369, 36. That's a horrible. 368, 367, 22, 36603, 36497, 36418, 36303. There you go. My levels for the SPY. These are the levels the SPY loves to stay on. And once you write them down, I'll tell you again, I'll zoom out. I'll go to the 4 hour time frame and I'll show you what I'm trying to show you. Actually, I'll go to the 8 hour time frame. Bought more TQQ today with covered call premiums. Nice. I'm waiting for it to fall further. Remember what I said, Sal? I'm not a buyer right now. I'm not a buyer. Did I not say that, Victor?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Did it not come crumbling down?
No. It will be bloody.
It will be blessed. So I'm not a buyer of TQQQ. I'm putting in 100K. Like I said, I'm not buying at 18, 19. You can buy at 18, but I'm not buying at the 20s. I feel like we have more room to go. We have more room to go. But if you're doing covered call, that's a different story. That's a different story. All right. So you got that. Let me show you this. I want to show you more data. So let me go to. All right. I'm gonna go to the 8 hour time frame so you can see more on my screen. Let me see how much I can fit in here. I'm trying to fit more. Can I fit more? This is enough. As you can see, this is the SPY on the 8 hour. It loves this cluster. The SPY loves this range. I gave you this exact range. It loves to be in here. It loves struggling in there. But if this fails, we have a massive problem on our hands. Again, I don't call it a problem because for me, I would love to get PLTR at the 6s. $5. Oh my God, if I could get it at $5. That's not even have a conversation if it gets there. But if this breaks, you haven't seen anything yet. COVID is a joke if this breaks. But you should understand this. Once this falls a little bit more, what's going to happen? It will stay and bounce within this range. Watch for that. Watch for that to happen. So that's my analysis on the SPY. Let's go. Any final thoughts? Boys, anything from me? I'll let you go.
No.
No, we're good.
Okay. All right. Let me see questions from here. Covered calls, baby. Yep. I don't do covered calls, but okay. Whoops. Stage 4. So let's call. Well, we'll talk about that. We are on a stage 4 decline. But if you want to micro in, we started right here, stage 1. If you want to look at it just from here, let's see what happens. If we get I need a few more bounces, and then we will be at a stage 1 consolidation. But as of now, we are still downtrending. As of now, overall, we did pause here. As you can see, we paused here, but it broke. This is the event that broke. We are now going to wait for the next event to take place. Same here, round 2. If this bounces off of this and goes back up, this is a very, very good sign. But if this event happens here, we're going to 350s. We're going down.
Okay.
We're going down. So now we're at a very pivotal point right here. Again, if you're reading the news with the nuclear, even Biden came on the news. Yeah. By the way, who talked about the nukes first, me or Biden?
Yep, you did.
I spoke about it on Tuesday. Yep. I said they're talking about the Russia and the nukes. Biden's like, yo, everyone, it might happen. He might use it. If he uses the tactical nukes in Ukraine, expect this to break and go. Okay, I said it on Tuesday. I'll say it again. Yep. Expect Bitcoin to collapse below 18,000 and go to 12,000. If the nuke is used, expect across the board everything to break.
Wow.
Expect everything to break. Boom. Boom. What I would tell you guys is, how many people are watching? What do we got? We got 88. Okay, I'll tell you guys this. If you don't know what iodine is for your thyroid gland, if we do have a nuclear attack, please go order some iodine. You know what? I'll drop it in the link below. I'll drop it in the link below this video. Just give me like 30 minutes. Give me like 30 minutes. You know what? I'll give it to you right now. Hold on.
What is that for?
Your thyroid. When you get radiation damage, okay, your thyroid is the first thing to go.
Okay.
So when that goes, you're gonna have a major problem. I have some already. They last for a long. You know what? I'll drop it right now. Hold on. I have your attention, and I do care about all of you. And I don't have close friends, so I can't post it. But I'll give it to you right now because I do have your attention. Hold on. This is gonna protect your thyroid. And the government, if you haven't read, you can Google it. The government's ordering these, what do you call those, man? You take this thing to prevent damage, like real damage from the radiation if it happens. So if the government's ordering millions and millions of these, you better stock up on something too. I already do, because I'm always prepared. I have stuff that you don't even want to know. Let me send it to you. Let me get the link. Where is it? I'm going to send it to you because I do care about all you guys and I want you to be safe. God forbid if something happens. Don't tell me it's sold out. What's going on? Okay. Come on. What the freak? Why can't I find it? Nope. Okay. Let me see. Maybe I have to type it in. And I don't think it's expensive, so you could. Why is it not coming? Don't tell me it's sold out. Yep, it is sold out. Damn. All right, I'll send you the link anyway. Maybe you can go find it somewhere else. Shit. It's sold out everywhere. Yeah, they're preparing, I guess. I knew this was going to happen. Here, I'm going to drop the link, guys, everyone, for right now. Go find it somewhere if you can find it. There you go. Yo, who is this red to green guy? You gotta go, bro. I'm sorry. You're annoying me. Like, what the freak? Later. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Jesus. There you go, guys. There's the link. It's sold out, but there you go.
Where do we see this at?
YouTube.
Oh,
It's on the live on YouTube. I dropped the link. It's sold out there, but if you could find it somewhere else, something close to it, it's called iodine. Potassium iodine protects your thyroid gland because you'll read it. Just read about it. I just want you guys to be safe. You don't have like that guy that I just kicked out, red to green. I'm not here trying to have a back and forth conversation. Do your own research. Just do your own damn research. It's that simple. Just do your own research. That's it. You can look at what the government's buying. You don't have to believe a word that comes out of my mouth. I'm just telling you what I do, and I care about you. Again, we're like a family. You guys are always here. That's the least I could do. Boom. Exactly. Was thinking, why is he not yet blocked? Diana, I wasn't looking at the chat. I wasn't looking at the chat. I wasn't looking at the chat. All right, then that's a wrap for me, guys. Thank you, Victor, for coming on. Thank you, Ron, for coming on. I appreciate you. Your first time. Thank you. Just message me on Twitter. I got you with the 5th edition book, baby boy.
Okay. Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, thank you on YouTube for watching. I will see you back on Tuesday. I'm going to drop a thing on Twitter. What do you want me to teach on Tuesday? And whatever I get, I'll do it. Thank you, guys. Have a good night. May peace be upon you all. I'll see you guys next week. Boom. Stay safe.
Later.
All right. Take care, Professor.